Come on, you ready for your nanners? Come on. Here's a bunny. We have to do this with one hand. Just to hold the phone. Ow, don't bite me. Back up. Look at this bunny. Where'd you go? Come back. There he is. Good grabby. Ow, don't bite. Ow. So cute though. Look how cute he is. You know he bites at his face. I have more. Oh, and here he is. He's back again. Uh-oh. Back up. Back up. Don't bite the bag. Look at him. Watch. When you give him a piece that's too big, he holds it and thinks for a second if he should run away or not. And then he usually runs away. Ow! Hold on. Watch. Thinking. Oh, he didn't run away. You didn't run away. You just ate it here. Hmm? Look at him. Look at him. This is funny. Very cute. Very cute. Mm-hmm. Tired. You tired? Hmm? Fatty, get your face out of the bag. Hold on, hold on. Back up. Back up. Oh, so bad. No, you can't eat all the nanners. Back up. Back up. Get. Back up. That's it. That's it. Grab your hiney. Grab this hiney. You're in the camera. Back up. Back your face up. We can't even see you. Funny. Funny. That's it. You can't eat the whole bag. Goodness.